Assalamu alaikum to everyone and welcome you all in the science class. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. O my Lord, increase me in my knowledge. As we have covered central nervous system topic, today we will start another topic of this chapter. Now tell me students, what happened when you touch a hot object by accident? And what happened when you touch a sharp object by accident? And what do you feel when something gets into your eyes by accident? If you touch something that is very hot or sharp, your hand moves away quickly. Before you even feel the pain, you don't have to think about it because the response in our reflex does not involve the brain. Something gets into your eyes, you suddenly close your eyes and feel the pain. This is just for reflex action. Today we learn about reflex action. A reflex action is an automatic, involuntary and rapid response to a stimulus which minimizes any danger to the body from potentially harmful conditions such as touching something hot. The reflex actions are therefore essential to the survival of many organisms. Reflex action is a mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is a significant gift that Allah created to protect us from many dangers. For example, you can quickly remove your hand if you touch a hot or sharp object by accident. The reflex is a security mechanism that Allah created for the protection of our bodies. With the inspiration of Allah, nerve stimuli proceed in your body at a speed of approximately 9 kilometers in a second. And so, you are protected against many dangers. How reflex action does its job? Receptors in the skin detects a stimulus. Sensory neurons and electrical impulses to our relay neurons, which is located in the spinal cord of CNS. Relay neurons connect sensory neurons to motor neurons. Motor neurons send electrical impulses to a effector. At the end, effector produce a response and then muscle contract to move hand away. Why is reflex action necessary? And what is voluntary and involuntary actions? A reflex action is an automatic and rapid response to a stimulus which minimizes any damage to the body from potentially harmful conditions such as touching something hot. Reflex actions are therefore essential to the survival of many organisms. And what is voluntary and involuntary actions? Voluntary action and involuntary actions. Those actions which need thinking and are performed by us knowingly are called voluntary actions. Involuntary action, those actions which do not need thinking and are not performed by us knowingly are called involuntary actions. Examples of voluntary actions: writing, playing, reciting Quran, etc. Examples of involuntary actions: digestion, respiration, etc. Now, what are receptors? Receptors are proteins, usually cell surface receptors, which bind to ligands and cause responses in the immune system, including cytokine receptors, growth factor receptors, and Fc receptor. Receptors can induce cell growth, division, and death, control membrane channels, or regulate cell binding. What is a stimulus? We can define a stimulus as a detectable change, physical or chemical, in the environment of an organism. that results in some functional activity. A stimulus is anything that can trigger a physical or behavior change. The plural of stimulus is stimuli. An example of external stimuli is your body responding to a medicine. An example of internal stimuli is your vital sign changing due to the change in the body. Sense organs are the specialized organs composed of sensory neurons which help us to perceive and respond to our surroundings. There are 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. 5 senses. Sense organs are specialized organs. They are an integral part of our lives, and it is the only way that enables us to perceive the environment. Sense of sight for seeing. Sense of taste for tasting. Sense of touch for touching and feeling. Sense of sound for hearing. Sense of smell for smelling. Your worksheet is cut and paste voluntary and involuntary muscles in a separate box, or draw them in a separate boxes in your notebook. Your home task: define terms, reflex action, stimulus, sense organs, voluntary muscle, sensory nerve cells, motor nerve cells. Inshallah, we will meet in another class with new topic. Take care of yourself. Jazakallah.